Vali, begin the prayer and loudly. Vali, begin. Say the prayer, Vali. Loudly.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Omansh. Vali saying the prayer. Vali, please be loud. We cannot hear you. Vali, there is a lot of disturbance from your end. We cannot hear you. Asta, join your hands.
Good morning.
Vali. All right. Children, all of you join your hands. Today I'll say the prayer because we cannot hear Vali at all. All of you join your hands. Close your eyes. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am. Ma'am.
All
Good
right.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
everyone.
sir.
I hope you enjoyed your yoga classes yesterday. Did you like your yoga classes? That's
Yes,
nice. Very
ma'am.
good. Now, children, I want to say one thing.
Good morning,
Good morning. There are some children who are attending only the first period, and after that, for the remaining periods, they are not joining class. So if you are not joining class for the remaining periods and you're coming only in the first period, I will not mark you present for the other classes. I will have to mark you absent. बहुत से बच्चे सिर्फ फर्स्ट पीरियड में आते हैं, उसके बाद क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर रहे हैं. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि मुझे इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए. अगर पेरेंट्स ऑफिस चले जाते हैं इस वजह से आप नहीं अटेंड कर पा रहे या कोई और प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज़ इन्फॉर्म मी. Because there are many children who are attending class in the morning, the first period, and then in the second period, third period, and especially fourth period, nobody is there. So make sure that you are attending all the classes for the day, children. Right? Yes? I told you I'll be taking attendance not only in the first period, any day in any period I'll take attendance. Because I can see all the children who are present on the screen. Right? Okay, now this is your maths period. I told you to be ready with your arithmetic copies. Are you ready? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to give a thumbs up. All right. Nipin, are you ready with your maths copy? Where is your maths copy, Nipun? You don't have your maths copy with you, then you keep a register with you. अगर मैथ्स कॉपी नहीं है, आप नानी के घर पे हैं, कॉपीज आपके पास नहीं है, लेकिन आपको एक कॉपी तो रखनी चाहिए. निपुण, switch on your mic. Nipun, do you have any notebook in front of you to copy what we are doing in class? All right. Okay, children. Now, yesterday we did what comes after, what comes before. Now, quickly, let's revise. Let me see how many of you remember. What comes after 1? Astha. What comes after 1?
2.
2. Very good. Prashasti, what comes after 9?
Ma'am, 10.
Very good. Arav, what comes before 6? Before 6.
5.
Very good. Rudraksh, what comes before 9? What comes before 9? 1 2 3 4 बोलिए जल्दी से 1 2 3 4 अपने माइंड में बोलना शुरू करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. मैम ने बोला व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 9. सो 9 से पहले क्या आया यहाँ पर? 8. रुद्राक्ष, did you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have to learn to count the numbers quickly when I'm asking you something. Omansh, what comes before 6?
Ma'am, 5.
5. That's right. Very good. All right, Aradhya, what comes before 11?
Ma'am, 10.
10. Very good. Manjeet, what comes before 7? 7 से पहले क्या आता है मंजीत?
6.
6. Very good. Prashasti, what comes after 7?
Ma'am, 8.
8. Very good. Kriday, what comes before 5?
4.
4. Very good. Wali, what comes after 5?
6.
6. Very good. Nipun, what comes before 6? 5. Very good. Ali Altamash, what comes after 6?
Ma'am, 5.
What comes after 6? 6 के
7.
6 के बाद क्या आता है?
7.
7. Very good. Rishita, what comes before 8?
7.
7. Very good. And what comes after 8, Vinayak?
9.
9. Very good. Ishanvi, what comes before 2? 1. Very good. Anay, what comes after 2?
3.
3. Very good. Okay, so you all are all very smart children. All of you know your numbers. Now, today we are going to do one exercise in the arithmetic copy where you will have numbers. You have to write what comes before and what comes after. सेंटर में आपके पास नंबर्स होंगे और लेफ्ट एंड राइट के नंबर्स आपको अपने आप फिल करने हैं. Ready for that? Everyone? So open a fresh page of your arithmetic copies. Put today's date. Today's date is 18.6.2021. Put on top classwork. Put on top classwork. CLASS class. WORK work. Shubh, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What happened? You got late today? You were supposed to say the prayer today?
प्रेयर के लिए.
Yes, Shubh? शुभ, क्या हो गया था?
मैम, मैं ना कल वो गया था अपने.
सुबह देर से उठे थे?
मैम, मैं कल गया था अपनी दीदी के घर, इसीलिए लेट हो गया.
Okay, now tomorrow you will say the prayer, okay, Shubh?
गरम लग रहा है.
Tomorrow you'll say the prayer. All right, children, ready? I'm going to share the screen. Put on top classwork and the date. Rudraksh, you've got your copy with you, child?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Begin writing. Put today's date. Put classwork on top. Pranjali, arithmetic copy. Put classwork date 18.6.2021. Now write the heading. Put this heading, children. The heading is write the numbers that come before and after. This is the heading, children. All of you can see.
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है.
Can't see the screen. Okay, one second. All right, now can you see it? Write the
Yes, ma'am.
numbers. Copy the heading, children. Write the numbers that come before and after. Children, some of you I have seen in your copy you don't have a margin. So you will have to make the margin yourself using a ruler. All of you. After class, you can tell mummy to draw margin. Yes, Pranjali.
नीचे से नीचे क्लास वर्ड के नीचे जो लिखा है वो भी लिखना है.
Yes, that is the heading. Write the numbers that come before and after. Write the numbers that come before and after. Yesterday we did before and after separately. Today we are going to do them together. And children, follow the pattern that I have shown. See the screen carefully. After you write the heading, drop one square. Put T and O, the house of the numbers, ones and tens. Use a blue line to underline the missing numbers. In the margin, put A, B, C, D till H. Manjeet, you're writing.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, here and diagram.
E, you have number 8 in the center, and F, you have number 4. Heading, everybody has copied, then give
Thank
me a
you,
thumbs
ma'am.
up. Has everyone copied the heading? Then I can shift the page up.
No, ma'am.
Then please be quick.
Yes,
Anya, are you writing, child?
ma'am.
All
No,
right.
ma'am.
Anya, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good boy. And Anya, Anya, you have to send me your work on personal. मेक श्योर कल भी मैंने आपसे बोला था काम सेंड करने के लिए, आप लोग ने सेंड नहीं करा था। और सारे क्लासेस अटेंड करने हैं, सिर्फ फर्स्ट पीरियड नहीं।
मैम मैं सारे क्लासेस अटेंड करता हूँ।
यस अली।
मैम
यस
मैम 2 के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
विच अल्फाबेट आ रहा? सी।
2 के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
आफ्टर टू, after 2 you have below 2, can you see?
3.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
All
Thank you, ma'am.
right. Okay.
मैम 1 के नीचे क्या लिखना है?
Yes Pranjali.
मैम ए पे क्या लिखना है?
A, you see the screen properly. First you have to drop 1 2 3 4 5 squares and then write number 5. Then again drop one square and draw the blue line.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done my work.
Ria, you finished? Very good. Revise your work now. Yes Ishanvi.
Okay, ma'am. मैम
मंजीत, हेडिंग नहीं लिखी आपने?
एडिंग
हेडिंग लिखिए। अब आगे का काम करिए मंजीत। नंबर्स बोल कर लिखिए। 5 से पहले क्या आता है, 5 के बाद what comes before 7, what comes after. Yes Rishita, you were asking something child?
मैम ए पे क्या लिखा है? ए पे
Number 5, and you have to write what comes before 5, what comes after 5. Now since you started doing your work, I'm just helping you. Rishita, can you tell me what comes before 5?
मैम हमें भी डैश लगाना है।
Rishita, what comes before 5?
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done my work.
4. Okay. Children, see, I'm writing
4,
over
ma'am.
here 4. Shivansh, what comes after 5? Shivansh, what comes after 5? Shivansh, what comes after 5? Shivansh, what comes after 5?
Ma'am 6.
All right. So we write here in the house of ones 6. This is how you will do your work. Inaya, what comes before 7?
Ma'am 6.
6. We write here 6. All right. Ali, what comes after 7?
Ma'am 8. Excuse me,
8.
ma'am.
Very good. So we are going to write here 8. All right. Ane, what comes before 6?
Ma'am.
6 के पहले क्या आता है अने?
Ma'am.
अने
6 के
के पहले क्या आता है अने? Vinayak, just a second, child. अने 6 के पहले क्या आता है? 1 2 3 4 बोलिए.
5.
6 के पहले 5 आता है, तो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे वंस के हाउस में 5. आन्या, what comes after 6?
6. 6.
1 2 3 4 बोलिए. डरते क्यों हैं आप लोग बेटे? कोशिश करेंगे तभी सीखेंगे. ओके, 1 2 3 4 बोलिए जल्दी से. देखिए मैम की तरफ. 1 2 3 4 5 6
7.
7.
7, ma'am.
So,
7.
so we write here 7. Okay, Christopher, what comes before 9? Christopher,
10, ma'am.
before 9. Before means pehle.
8, ma'am.
Very good. So we write here 8.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
All right, very good. Now since you finished, tell me what comes after 9.
I done my work.
Very good. Prashasti, what comes after 9?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, 8.
Prashasti, what comes after?
I'm done. Ma'am, 10.
Will you all mute yourselves, please, except for Prashasti?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anvi.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, very good. Now all of you just check your answers. I'm writing the answers
Ma'am,
also on the
10.
screen. Yes, Prashasti, I got it. Sanvi, what comes before 8?
7.
7, that's right. So we put here 7. And what comes after 8,
I'm
Pranjali?
done my work.
All right, Rudaksh, now don't shout. Just sit quietly and revise it. Pranjali, what comes after 8?
मैम स्क्रीन पे दिख नहीं रहा है.
I'll just zoom the screen. Pranjali, what comes after 8? 8 के बाद क्या आता है?
9.
9. Very good. So we write over here 9. Rudraksh, what comes before 4? 4 से पहले क्या आता है?
3.
3. Very good. And what comes after 4?
5.
5. Okay, so we put here 5. Omansh,
Ma'am.
what comes before 2?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Very good. What comes after 2?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Very good. Hardik, what comes before 3?
बताओ.
हार्दिक, 3 के पहले क्या आता है?
Excuse me, ma'am. पहले आता है
2. Okay, good. Aradhya? Yes, Aradhya?
I am done my work.
Okay, very good. Revise your work. Hassan, what comes after 3? Hassan, what comes after 3? Okay, Hassan cannot hear me, I think. Vaishnavi, what comes after 3? Vaishnavi, what comes after 3? Visual, what comes after 3?
4, ma'am.
4. Okay, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Ma'am,
Okay.
I have done my work.
All right, very good that you all have finished your work.
Ma'am, I have done my work. I have done my work.
Now all of you check your answers on the screen.
Ma'am, my work is not done.
Okay, do it. I'm showing it to you on the screen. Now, children, I can see your work and I can see some children. Okay. Now I can see I can see some of you. Yes, I can see all of yours work. Ali, you have written the numbers on the line. You have to write the numbers in the square, not on the line. Please see how I have done. Please see the numbers that I have written. Yes, Anya.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes,
I
Aram.
done.
Let me
Work
see your
is
copy.
done.
Yes, show me your
मैम
copy,
my
Anay.
work is done. दिख नहीं रहा है.
Just a second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am.
let me see your copies. Let me see your copies. Lift it up. Yes, show me your copies. Yes, Ali, now you have settled your work. Okay. Hardik, show me your work, child. Hardik, lift your copy. Let me see your work.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Yes, I can see all of yours work on the screen.
Mom, I have done my work.
All right. Now, make sure you draw the finishing line. Take your scale and draw a finishing line like this. A sleeping line like this. Use a scale to draw this line, all of you.
Excuse me, ma'am, I am done.
Okay, Arham, good.
Excuse me, ma'am, मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं है लाइन खींचने की.
Then you do it after class. Make sure you have a scale in your box, all right?
मैम, स्पेस नहीं है. मेरे पास ब्लू पेंसिल नहीं थी इसलिए रेड पेंसिल से अंडरलाइन की नहीं.
रेड पेंसिल से अंडरलाइन नहीं करेंगे. जिसके पास ब्लू पेंसिल नहीं है वो अपनी नॉर्मल पेंसिल से अंडरलाइन करेंगे. Right? You will use your normal lead
मैम,
pencil to
स्पेस
underline.
नहीं है.
If you don't have a blue color pencil, you use your normal lead pencils. Don't use a red color pencil to underline. Got it, all of you? And children, it's very nice to see that you are completing your work on time in the class. That shows all of you are studying very nicely. Give yourself a clap, all of you. All good children, clap for yourselves. Put your pencils down and clap for yourselves. Visual, clap for yourself. See how good you are. कितनी जल्दी से काम हो जाता है ना. आप लोग को
मैम,
लगता
डन
है
माय वर्क.
मैम हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, मैम हमारा काम नहीं हो रहा है. अब देखिए कितनी जल्दी सबका काम हो रहा है और क्लास में आपका सबका काम फिनिश हो रहा है. रिटन वर्क आप क्लास में कंप्लीट करेंगे जैसे स्कूल में करते थे और लर्निंग वर्क घर पे कर लेंगे. और लर्निंग वर्क याद रखिएगा जैसे मैम ने बताया है ना, यू हैव टू राइट एंड लर्न, देन यू विल लर्न फास्टर. यस Hayat?
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes.
have done my work.
Yes, I can see your work, Hayat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done my work.
Okay,
Excuse
Ronik.
me,
Very
ma'am. I
good.
have done
Neat
my
work.
work. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pranjali.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My work is complete.
Yes, Astha. Pick your copy. Let me see. Okay, fine. Good. Now, listen carefully to what I'm telling you. I will send you I will send you one exercise. What comes in between? You will do that at home. Right? One maths exercise you'll do at home. What comes in between? Right? Now this is your break time. You can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. We have GK. I'm not taking attendance in this period. I'll take attendance today in any other period. Make sure all of you are attending all the classes, children. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.